In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set perfect image sizes on Webflow. If you're looking to enhance your website's visual design with precision, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in. The first thing you'll want to do is open your web browser and navigate to Webflow. This platform offers a powerful visual website builder, perfect for customizing and creating unique web designs without needing to write a single line of code. Once you're on the Webflow website, your next step is to log in. Simply click on the Login button, which you'll find in the upper right corner of the homepage. Enter your credentials, and you should be directed straight to your dashboard. Now that you're on your Webflow dashboard, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. This is where you can access all of your projects, and it's the hub from which you'll manage your website design tasks. Look over your list of projects and select the one you want to work on. Clicking on a project opens up a detailed view, displaying all the components and pages associated with it. With your project open, your next move is to find an image that you want to resize. Click on the image you've chosen to bring up a range of options. You'll be looking for something known as the Style tab, which allows you to adjust various attributes of your selected element. Click on Style to open this feature. With the Style panel active, you'll notice a multitude of options that you have at your disposal. What we're interested in today is the size settings. Click on the Size option to bring up controls that will let you adjust the width and height of your image with precision. This is critical, particularly if you're aiming for a coherent aesthetic across your website, where images fit perfectly within their allotted spaces. Ensuring your image sizes are consistent can improve loading times and enhance user experience. So take your time to get these settings right. As we wrap up, remember that by regularly adjusting image sizes and maintaining consistency, you not only achieve an appealing visual layout, but also optimize your website's performance. This small detail can have a big impact, helping to retain visitors and enhance overall functionality. Hopefully, this guide has been informative and easy to follow. Your engagement in mastering these skills on Webflow certainly pays off, providing you with a robust framework to deliver beautiful and effective web experiences. Thank you for watching, and happy designing!